In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use topics in Circle.so. We'll go step by step through the process to ensure you have a solid understanding of this feature, which can be incredibly useful for organizing content in your online community. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Just navigate to the Circle.so login page and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left sidebar. You should see a section labeled Spaces. Click on Spaces to reveal a list of your available spaces. Think of spaces as containers for different areas of discussion or focus within your community. Choose the space where you want to start using topics. Choosing the right space is essential because topics help you organize conversations, ensuring clarity and ease of access for your community members. Once you're in the desired space, head over to the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice a button labeled Create Post. Click on it to start drafting your new post. You'll find yourself in a post editor interface. Here you can type out your thoughts, share updates, and engage your community with insightful content. Now for the key feature we're focusing on today, the topics field. This field is usually located just below the post title or content area, so keep your eyes peeled for it. Topics are crucial because they act as tags, helping categorize posts so community members can easily find and follow discussions of interest. Begin by typing the name of the topic you want to assign to this post. After typing, don't forget to press enter. This step confirms your selection, effectively associating your post with the chosen topic. If you're thinking of adding more than one topic, don't worry, Circle.so makes it simple to have multiple tags for a single post. Just repeat the process, type each new topic name, and press enter for each one. Once you've added all necessary topics and are satisfied with your post's content, the final step is to complete your post. Review everything to make sure it conveys the message you intend to share. Then, just click the post button located at the top right. Your post will be shared within the space and tagged with the topics you've selected. Now, what if you want to view posts by topics later on? Circle.so has you covered. On the space sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Filter Browse Topics. Clicking there allows you to select the desired topic you're interested in exploring further. After selecting a topic, you'll instantly see all posts associated with it, making it a breeze to follow specific discussions or revisit key posts. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively use topics in Circle. So, enhancing your community's experience by creating an organized, easily navigable environment. I hope this tutorial empowers you to manage your spaces more efficiently. Thanks for watching.